Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into week 22. So for week 22, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, what to watch for day traders. Let's get into it. Okay, here we are with S&P. S&P looking good. It came right into that monthly imbalance that we were looking at. Let's go out to the monthly. So we're looking for price to come right into that imbalance. We see it broke to and through that that imbalance and has come back into pretty much the middle point. So where can it go from here? We're looking at the last week of the month. Let's see what it might slow down, but let's see what we can see here as far as opportunity goes. So we look like we had a equal high that it tapped into from the previous week, pretty much from on the weekly. Prices come down. Still haven't cleaned up this imbalance right here. Excuse me, not the imbalance, this gap. And, again, it's pretty close. This is where it closed. This is where it opened a couple weeks ago. So we still have this gap to clear up. I would not be surprised if we went into that area. Let's look at the daily to see what opportunities we have. So this is already OBE. We're going to go ahead and delete that. Looks like on the daily we have some imbalance left up here. I wouldn't really be focused too much on that. Again, looking at the overall momentum, presently it's more in a selling or bearish position. S&P overall is bullish, but right now it's look like it's retracing. So again, once again, it came and cleaned up that imbalance. For me, that signals it's going to continue down. We have this area right here with this daily imbalance that was set in from Wednesday to Thursday. It did not get cleaned up. We have a nice candle with a long wick here. Came right back into here. So let's look at the daily range. This is to me, this is still our daily range, even though we gapped up and we broke structure. This is my daily right here. Right now we're in the middle. Wouldn't be really messing with it too much. I will wait for price to either come down here or move back up here and get some sales from this position. So it's highly likely, looking at this, we'll probably revisit. Initially, I said I wouldn't be too focused on it. However, if I sit and look at it, the way I'm looking at it right now is it's probably highly likely we're going to touch this and then drop down. Now, will we do it right away, middle of the week? I'm not sure. What's the weekly looking like again? Oh, we can't. There's really nothing showing here on the weekly. The daily, however, on the daily we have this imbalance right here. So again, let's wait till the market opens. I'm looking for probably a pop-up right into this imbalance and then, continue down. I have this marked out for our gap support. Again, we don't diddle in the middle. I would not be looking for any position right now. Again, if it comes up here, definitely look for some sell positions. And if we make it all the way back down to here where we fill this gap up, you could probably start looking for buys right then. If we do not get a rejection, which we more than likely will, for that area, that's the only time I'd be looking for buys. We still got all of this gap down here to clean up. That's the reason why I'm still saying, even with this pull up into this area, I'm still thinking S&P has some further selling off to do before it continues up. So that's S&P. Let's go over here to gold. Okay, here we are with gold. This is our daily. It did not make it back down here. What is this? Should be. There you go. Did not make it back down here to our daily imbalance. It did tap into this imbalance right here. Dang near touched that candle. Didn't go any further. Got support and is moving back up. Did leave behind a little imbalance. So what is this weekly support? Yeah, we were looking for it to touch right back in there. It pushed straight past. Left the candle with what? Equal high there. So really would be focusing. Let's go ahead and just move this up here. Um, so right now, looking at this, probably looking at getting support. We do not have. Here's our weekly here. Let me do it like this. Trend line. So I'm gonna do it like this, where we have this support right here on the weekly. Again, equal highs, so a good target before we hit our other target of 33,960, and of course our overall high here of 35, say 35.10, going up to 3,600. Um, let's see an opportunity on the daily. Friday just shot down straight from there. So okay, that's the weekly. Now this is looking good right here. Ooh, look at this opportunity right here. So again, look for price just to pop into this area. It does not have to go all the way into a, it might just touch it, tap it, whatever. This is the daily. Just touch into this area, which is a good place for buys. Again, looking at this, let's look at the range on the daily. Break a structure here. That's still a high. This is our new low. So perfect. We're looking at the, again, don't diddle in the middle. Down right here, this is the buy area. So we'll be looking for buys from this area. And then to take it, go ahead and take it up to and through our this high here of 35.10. So equal highs. End of the month though, let's before I do that, before I hop off, let's look at off gold. Let's look at gold overall. Bullish. Quick here. Don't really see any imbalance. Gold came back and cleaned up. Again, gold has been very efficient as it's been moving up. Very efficient. So didn't leave any imbalance coming up. So depending on where it closes, yeah. Depending on where it closes, it might have the opportunity to come all the way back down here and dip down here next month and then continue up. However, I wouldn't kind of focus on it. I'm just looking at this imbalance right here. We want price to dip into and then continue up. If it comes all the way back down there, that's even better. But right here, however, right here, this is a prime area to get a buy from. It's in a discount throughout our range. Even if I brought a range down to here, still in a discount. So yeah, that's where our buy opportunities are. If you do not already have position, that's where your opportunity is right there. So that is gold for the week. Let's go over here to the Dow. Okay, here we are on the Dow. The Dow did go ahead and clean up this gap. We have a strong bearish candle here, long wick, equal high for a couple of days ago. So I do not think, looking at this, let's look at the monthly. So right now in the monthly, got a long wick with this bullish candle. Rejection from here. Got that support. Hit that high, rejected. So my thought is, yeah. S&P opportunity. Weekly, cleaned up that equal high. Kind of tapped into that imbalance. I don't know. It's daily. And with that daily, I think this imbalance will probably be revisited again this week. I think it will be. Um, I do not think S&P is done with this area down here. So uh, you can get some buys up to that area. I do not think S&P is done. What I would be looking for is some sales from this area here, as price did not break this high or this high. This is on the daily. We got an imbalance here. Also, a candle with an equal high here. Daily candle with the equal high. Wait, look at the 4 hours and see what it looks like. 4 hour imbalance here. A little small imbalance there. Yeah. Yeah, even looking at this, in my mind, we can, yep, that's OBE. Sorry, tap that. Another candle here with a equal low. That's on a 4 hour though, daily. Why do I have this here? Let's just move this here. This is our equal high. Equal high there on the daily. This is why, because it's tapped into this gap already. That's my thought, that it will come run these imbalances before continuing down. It's already rejected from that area, so it's gonna try to push one more time and probably come back down. Again, the setup is there. Just understand where your TP would be. Definitely the equal high, probably this 4 hour candle right above it. As your TP 2. This is a 4 hour, so yeah, 42,790. Maybe yeah, that, yeah. 47, what is that? 4790, yep. 42,7, excuse me, 42,790. I think that should be your TP. We wanted to push 2 and through this equal high. You can take TP1 there if you want, and hope it keeps running. I don't foresee it keep running, but that's neither here nor there. Yeah, that's my thoughts on the Dow. I do not think it's done. I do not think it's done retracing down here. I just think there's an opportunity for it to go up before continuing down. Again, let's wait till the market open to see which way the daily candle starts moving, and we'll probably have our answer at that point. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Here we are with Bitcoin. Looking good. Has not revisited these imbalances that we put in place on the daily as well as the weekly. Did have a retracement last week back into the Wednesday candle. Overall, still looking very bullish. Opportunity for re-entry. Let's look at this daily again. High, low. This is our new high. There's a new low. So yeah, I wouldn't be looking for any buys below unless we get below here. Right now, we'd be a little patient for Bitcoin. As a day trader, go to the hour. We have some candles down here with equal lows, so price is beginning to retrace into this area. Price down here with equal lows. These would be the areas I'd be looking for to get a quick position if you're a day trader for Bitcoin. These are the places. 2 candles here. Those are our 2 candles with equal highs. This is the 4 hour candle with the equal high. Candle close here with the equal low. Those are your opportunities. Again, don't diddle in the middle, man. Looking for sell positions. We will, love to see price drop right below this premium level. You see, we got a candle here with a wick like equal to that equal low prime area. Then of course we have this final area right here. If we can get price to come into this area, this would be the best place as a day trader to get position. Best place. Hit that, let it run. We're looking at on a daily. What's a daily run? Likes to stay quiet during normal market hour. 670, 670 points on Bitcoin ain't bad. 670. Get it here, right to the middle. Right to the middle. Looking at it, that's about a 3-to-1 right there. 3-to-1. So that's on the 4 hour. That's on the 4 hour. You can get it on the 1 hour. Probably increase that to a little over 3-to-1. So that's our trading plan for week 22. That's the Bitcoin weekly playbook. Those are the key moves we were looking for day traders on Bitcoin. This is a great trading week. As you can see, a lot of opportunities. It's the end of the month. So let's be understanding it is the end of the month, where price can end up, where it can go to. We're not, at this point, we're not seeing any potential where candles will flip from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish. So just understand that. Understand price may move and kind of settle, but kind of only like on the daily time frame, kind of move within, a certain range. There will be opportunities. You just got to be right there waiting for them from those areas we talked about. So this investment process channel, have a great trading week.